Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude!
Oh! Sheesh! He said sheesh! Oh, the house! Oh, the house! Oh! The house!
The recent flooding in Ruidoso, New Mexico, has left a trail of widespread destruction, with torrents of water sweeping through homes, businesses, and entire neighborhoods. The sudden intensity of the rainfall, combined with overburdened drainage systems, made evacuation nearly impossible for many residents. As the water levels surged, rescue teams encountered major obstacles reaching those in need, especially in areas previously scarred by wildfires. The combination of scorched, dry land and heavy rain created a particularly hazardous scenario, as the soil was unable to absorb the deluge, leading to rapid runoff and severe flash flooding. In the aftermath, many local roads became virtually unrecognizable, buried beneath debris and standing water. Routes once relied upon by emergency responders and residents were rendered impassable, blocked by fallen trees, boulders, and other debris. These conditions further hindered rescue operations and complicated access to critical areas.
God, it's bad. It's bad. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
The flooding not only caused immediate destruction, but also severely disrupted essential services. Gas lines were ruptured and power grids went offline, causing additional delays in rescue missions and slowing the delivery of aid to affected families. Among the most heartbreaking outcomes of this disaster was the loss of life. Alongside the 3 confirmed deaths, numerous individuals remain missing and are feared to have been carried away by the powerful currents. Families continue to search desperately for loved ones, while authorities persist with search and rescue efforts, hoping to find survivors still trapped in homes or vehicles. Despite the scale of devastation, the community of Ruidoso has shown extraordinary resilience. Residents have come together to support each other as emergency workers and volunteers labor tirelessly to assist in recovery operations. Local shelters are overflowing with families forced from their homes. Many have lost everything, from their houses and treasured belongings to their livelihoods. Businesses along the main thoroughfares have been reduced to rubble, and the local economy faces long-lasting setbacks. The financial damage is expected to be significant, and while assistance is arriving, rebuilding will be a slow and demanding journey. In the wake of this catastrophe, climate scientists have highlighted the rising threat of extreme weather events like flash floods. Warming global temperatures are contributing to more unpredictable and intense weather systems. Communities such as Ruidoso, already at risk due to factors like wildfires and deforestation, are now even more exposed to flooding and other natural disasters. The combined effect of a changing climate and human development in vulnerable zones increases the risk of severe events. The situation in Ruidoso underscores the urgent need for proactive adaptation strategies to better prepare for climate-related impacts. Local authorities are being encouraged to invest in stronger, more resilient infrastructure, especially in areas prone to flooding, to help reduce future risks. Experts also recommend stricter land use policies, limiting development in floodplain regions, and upgrading drainage systems to better handle heavy rain events. Beyond the immediate urban impacts, the surrounding forested and mountainous areas suffered extensive ecological damage. Mudslides triggered by saturated soils wiped out entire sections of forest, displacing wildlife and destroying critical habitats. Meanwhile, smaller rural communities on the outskirts of Ruidoso faced unique challenges, as many relied on single-access roads that were completely washed out or buried under rock slides. Isolated from immediate help, residents formed impromptu support networks, sharing food, water, and medical supplies. Some families used personal boats or makeshift rafts to navigate submerged areas and reach stranded neighbors. As Ruidoso begins the long journey toward recovery, continuous support will be vital to restore homes, infrastructure, and livelihoods. The emotional toll on residents who watch their community wash away is profound. Nevertheless, the determination and unity of the people will be a driving force in rebuilding. With coordinated assistance from government bodies and supporting organizations, there is hope that Ruidoso can recover and emerge stronger, more resilient, and better prepared for future challenges.
He said, "Sheesh!"